Hello, everyone. Welcome to the podcast Listen and Speak Daily English. This podcast gives you real stories and simple ideas to help you speak better English and connect with the world. I'm your host, and today I want to talk about something very important, something that can really change your life. That's right, learning English. Maybe you already started learning English, or maybe you're just thinking about it. But let me tell you something. Learning English is one of the best things you can do. It helps you with your job, your studies, and your life. Imagine this. You're walking in your city. A tourist from the US or Germany looks confused. They don't speak your language, but you speak English. You say, "Hi, can I help you?" The tourist smiles. You help them. You talk for a few minutes. You made a connection because of English. English is the global language. People from many countries use English to talk to each other. If you speak English, you can talk to people from anywhere. Also, English gives you opportunities. Many jobs today need English. You can work in hotels, airports, or online. If you speak English well, you can get a better job and earn more money. And let's talk about education. Many good books, courses, and videos are in English. You can learn business, science, design, or anything you like. You don't need to wait for translations. What about friends? With English, you can meet people online from Japan, Brazil, Italy, and more. You can talk, share ideas, and learn about new cultures. And of course, fun. You can enjoy movies, music, interviews, and YouTube in English without subtitles. Also, when you speak English, you feel more confident. You say, "I can do this." And that is a strong feeling. Is English hard? Sometimes, yes, but you don't need to be perfect. Just keep practicing. Every new word helps. Every time you speak, you learn more. Is English hard? Sometimes, yes, but you don't need to be perfect. Just keep practicing. Every new word helps. Every time you speak, you learn more. Let me tell you a true story. I know someone named Robert. He started working at a hotel. He was shy at first, but he practiced English every day. After 6 months, he could help guests from all over the world. Now, he teaches other workers. Another friend became a YouTuber because he learned English. Now he teaches grammar to people in 20 countries. English is not just grammar or vocabulary. It is about talking, understanding, and growing. So if you are thinking, why should I learn English? Here's why. To talk to people from other countries, to get a better job, to study online, to enjoy music and movies, to grow your mind, to feel proud of yourself, to be free, free to travel, speak, and learn. So don't stop. Keep learning, keep practicing, and always believe in yourself. One day, someone will ask you, "How did you learn English so well?" And you'll say, "I listen to podcasts like this one." Thank you for listening today. I'm proud of you. If you like this episode, share it with a friend. And remember, English is your key to the world. See you next time on Listen and Speak Daily English.